I welcome you to Narcissistic Personality Disorder Part 4. It's my hope that you enjoy it, Part 3. Now, today, I want to answer a question, why you can't win with a narcissist. So even if you think you can win with a narcissist, you are likely to fail. Why can't you win? Why can't you win with a narcissist? One, you cannot be able to win because with a narcissist, they are looking to win, not for a solution. They are not ready for you to come to a middle ground. They are not interested about solution. They are only keen for one thing, to win. And so you see that with them, they think they are never wrong. So with this perception, with this mentality, they will not be ready for any accountability. They will not be ready to understand anything, and they will not be ready for any validation. They have already drawn a line. And then you also find where you can't win. They want dominance over you. So what you want or make you happy will never be impressive to them. So there is no way in which they are going to listen to your side of the story, because with them, they want dominance, they want to control the discussion, they want to control the world of view, and so they are very confident that they are the one who should take the day. Then you find that these people, the narcissists, you can never win with a narcissist. One pointer also is they think they are perfect. So everything else will be your fault, not theirs. Because they would operate on the world of perfectionism. They are perfect, and these other people are imperfect. So any idea which you have, it's imperfect. And then you cannot win because they think they are superior, and anything they think or say will not have any value to them. It is not going to add anything, to add any value, because they are superior and you are inferior. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed part 4 and have a great morning. Thank you. It's Muteru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Asante.